What do you want?
Oh, chicken skin. Chicken skin.
Okay, but the chickens are in the chicken coop. This isn't where the chickens are.
Oh, chicken skin. Hi, boy.
That's cedar.
Oh, chicken.
No. What's in there? What's in there? Eli, no. What's in there that you want?
Oh, chicken.
What's in there?
Oh, chicken skin.
No, what's in there?
Oh, chicken.
Excuse me.
Oh, what chicken skin?
The chickens aren't in there. The chickens are all over here. What's over here that you want?
Chicken skin.
No, what's over here that you want?
Chicken skin.
No, these are pigs and the male goats.
What?
The pigs.
I think I like it in there.
See? And all the chickens are over here. So you don't even want the chickens, you wanted the pigs. Oh, you tried to catch him?
Oh, get it. Yeah, back it. Yeah, back it. Huh? Okay. Chicken there.
It's okay.